Okay, here's a quick tutorial of Zoom that's now you can find your applications folder. So once you have created an account, you've logged in, there's a couple different screens that'll prompt you. This is one of them that'll be kind of a main area to go to. And what we're going to do today is, let's say you wanted to schedule some office hours on Monday to review with some students for upcoming assignment, or just to check in with them at a particular time next week. So you can go ahead on into schedule, and super simple menu. You can just name your topic, whatever you want it to be. And you want to go ahead and you can label that date. So let's say Monday is the 16th, and you want that office hour. You probably don't want that time, right? We want a 9 a.m. You can go ahead and kind of set like how long you think you'll be on. So we could do, and I don't think this necessarily matters a whole bunch, but we could do it at a 9 to a 10 a.m. You can have a meeting ID. You can have your unique personal meeting ID. This is be unique to you, or you can have it generate automatically. Video. So for the host, that's you again. So that would be, you want to make sure that that's on so that they can see your face via video. And then you have a choice on participants, whether you want all of them to have their videos on as well. And for some reason this looks like it's not actually linking right now, but you want to also be able to have telephone and computer audio, and if you want to use the Outlook feature. All right, so you're going to schedule that meeting. So you can actually have this set up here where this would be your join Zoom meeting. You can always, copy and paste that and link it into your announcements in Canvas and different other platforms through email, where everyone would be able to then join you. Then once you are into the meeting, and again, this is what will prompt everyone when they come in, is to join with computer audio, and they can also test the speaker and microphone even before the Zoom call has even started. I want to join with computer audio. And again, like I said, there's a couple other different ways that you can log into the screen, but once you're in there, you can actually also use this screen now to invite other participants, to manage your participants. I don't have any other participants on right now, so it's just showing one, but once you have multiple in there, that's where that would show up. You can share your screen here with them. You can put on the chat feature, which again, the chat feature will start over here. They type messages here. It says to everyone. So there's options there if they want to use that. And you can also record. So you can record on this computer, and it will automatically, as soon as that recording is over, it's gonna put it right into your documents on your computer for you to be able to load up wherever you want to. And then you can stop the video once you're ready to. Managing participants, there's a lot more there once you get people in that you'll want to find out about, and then you also can just end your meeting here. So we're going to end it right now. I can leave the meeting and let the other participants that are still in there to stay in, or I can end the meeting for all, which is what you probably want to do. And that's just the beginning way to learn how to use Zoom.